My name is Heidi Hansing, and riding has brought me out of the darkness of grief and through the devastation of betrayal. I've created a new life for myself forever on the road, and I'd like to invite you to join me on my life's greatest adventure. Riding has empowered me like never before. It's brought joy to my heart and a sparkle to my eye. I've risen to new heights. I've gone places I've never been. And I've met people who have changed my life. I've taken on new bucket list challenges that I never would have considered before. I'm an Army veteran, and I've searched far and wide to recreate the camaraderie I enjoyed in the service. I have found it in the biker community. These are my people, and I love them hard.